everyone, and welcome to our first celebration assembly for this half term. We hope everyone had a good half term and have had a really good week. We've seen lots of children working very hard this week, haven't we? We have, Betty. And we're really excited to give out these awards. Betty has been so excited. She wanted to do this yesterday. I said, we can't do it on Thursday, Betty. We have to wait till Friday because the children are still working so very hard. So Betty had to wait at least one more day. And look at her. She's just so excited. She's shaking because she's so excited. Now, Betty, are you ready to hear all of the wonderful names that are getting awards? Yes, she is. So, you know what to do, Betty. Off you go. Sit over there. Well done. So, are you ready to hear about all the fantastic things you've done this week? All right, here we go. First, we have the Going for Gold Awards. And the first class is Leeds class, and we have Kellen for being helpful and enthusiastic in the classroom, and Antonia for exploring new areas in the nursery. In York class, we have Vanessa for growing in confidence and joining in during whole class work, and Amaya for fantastic pattern work in maths. In Hall class, we have Declan for joining in so well with class activities this week, and Zach for amazing maths knowledge all about number bonds. In Nottingham class, we have Lacey for supporting other children in class with their work, and Faith for her amazing knowledge in Read Write Ink. In Liverpool, we have Andy for her super attitude towards work, and Grace for her positivity towards learning and always trying her best. In Cardiff class, we have Daisy for joining in and giving super answers in English and topic this week, and Freya for some super explanations and contributions to their learning this week. In Edinburgh class, we have Tia Rose for enthusiasm and hard work in all aspects of the curriculum. And Eric for the same thing, for the enthusiasm and hard work in all aspects of the curriculum. In Cambridge class, we have Oscar for sharing ideas and experiences from home this week with his class. We also have Caden for always working hard and making the right choices. In London class, we have Zane for being a whiz at Roman numerals, and Joshua for working hard at home to learn his spellings. In Oxford class, we have Grace for trying very hard with her handwriting to improve her presentation, and Ellie for helping a child who was struggling to complete a task. In Lincoln class, we have Abe for a fantastic first week back, communicating more with others and following instructions. And in Chester class, we have Jasmine for her excellent attitude to learning in English lessons and trying her best. How fantastic all of you have been. Let's give them a big round of applause. Well done. Fantastic. Now, we have the Year of Being Healthy Awards. And if you remember, we're going to probably hear a lot about creativity because that was your challenge this week. So in Leeds class, we have first Isabel for showing creativity when printing firework pictures, and Willow M for being creative with colors. In York class, we have Macaulay for super balancing on the equipment in the outdoor area, and Jackson for being able to use the welly rack independently when accessing the outdoor area. In Hall class, we have Izzy for a great dance lesson in PE where she works so well with her partner, and Lorraine for feeling super proud of herself for writing her first name independently and fantastic cutting skills this week. In Nottingham class, we have Alfie for his amazing efforts in PE this week when learning dodgeball, and Tristan for his amazing efforts in PE this week when learning dodgeball as well. In Liverpool class, we have Roscoe for super effort in using a knife and fork, and Isabella J for super effort for using a knife and fork as well. In Cardiff class, we have Amelia for keeping active outside of school by attending sports clubs, and Isabel for super efforts on the trim trail this week. In Edinburgh class, we have Lucas for the healthy choices he makes in his lunch and for his superb efforts in exercise and work hard in swimming. We also have Lucy for contributing ideas to class discussions on being healthy, mind and body. In Cambridge class, we have Ken Dwayne for his fantastic self-portrait in the style of Frida Kahlo, and Jessica Sellers for the exact same thing, a fantastic self-portrait. In London class, we have Poppy for being a good friend to those on our table by helping them when they need it, and Amelia for her resilience in all she does. In Oxford class, we have Alfie, George, and Cooper for their outstanding effort in their rugby match this weekend. In Lincoln class, we have Leah for trying new foods and activities this week. And in Chester class, we have Jake for showing a commitment to healthy lifestyle by attending the gym outside of school. Well done to all of you. Give them a nice big hand. Well done. Now, Betty, come here, Betty. Yeah, there you go, Betty. Now, Betty and I are so very proud of all of you, even those that haven't gotten an award yet this week, because we've seen lots of children working very hard and showing a lot of perseverance and resilience, and we love that, don't we? We do. Now, next week is a very special week because next week is our week of being healthy. Yes, it is. Yeah. Now, Betty has been waiting for this week, haven't you, Betty? She has. And next week, we're going to be having a day on healthy mind, a day on healthy body. We're going to be learning about consent. We're going to be doing some work on anti-bullying, and we're going to be doing some Remembrance Day work. Lots of things happening next week, which we're really excited about. You teachers have been working very hard to prepare. So make sure to be here every day next week, yes, and take part in the lessons just like I know you can. I want everyone to have a lovely weekend, and I can't wait to see all of you next week for our fantastic week of being healthy. Have a good one. Bye.